Have you ever had a day where everything goes wrong? The alarm doesn't ring, you wake up late, you run, you rush, you panic, but somehow the day still teaches you something important? Today, I want to tell you a simple story about a very normal day. A day full of small problems, small moments, and very useful English vocabulary. So sit back, relax, and let's start our slow English story about daily routines. Ready? Let's go. Part 1. The 20-minute slow story. The first half. Today, I want to tell you a story about a man named Adam. Adam is a normal person, just like you, just like me. He has a job, he has responsibilities, and of course, he has a daily routine. But today, his routine will not go as planned. 1. Waking up. Adam usually wakes up at 7 a.m. Every day, he hears his alarm. Beep, beep, beep. He opens his eyes, slowly. He stretches his arms. He sits on his bed, and he says, "Okay, new day, let's go." But today is different. Today, the alarm doesn't ring. His phone battery is dead. There is no sound, no alarm, no wake-up call. Adam is sleeping, deeply, peacefully, until suddenly his eyes open, he looks at the window, and he feels something is wrong. He checks his phone. It turns on slowly, and he sees the time. 8:22 a.m. Adam jumps from his bed and shouts, "Oh no, I'm late." 2. The morning rush. Adam runs to the bathroom. He washes his face quickly. He brushes his teeth in a hurry. He looks at himself in the mirror and says, "This is not good. This is not good." He usually takes a calm shower in the morning, but today he has no time. He puts water on his hair with his hands. He grabs a towel, wipes his face, and runs to his room. He opens his closet, takes the first shirt he sees, puts it on, and says, "Good enough." He grabs his bag, his keys, and his phone charger, because today he really needs it. 3. Breakfast or no breakfast. Adam always eats breakfast. He loves breakfast. Toast, eggs, orange juice, a calm, quiet morning. But not today. Today, he opens the fridge, looks inside, and says, "No time, no time, no time." He takes a banana and leaves the house. While he closes the door, the banana falls. He looks at it on the floor and whispers, "Seriously?" He picks it up and says, "Okay, maybe I'll eat at work." He walks fast to the bus stop. 4. The bus problem. Adam arrives at the bus stop, and he sees the bus leaving. Not arriving, leaving. He starts running behind it. "Wait, wait!" But the bus does not stop. Adam looks at the road, takes a deep breath, and says, "Great, just great." Now he has 2 choices: wait for the next bus or walk. He checks the bus schedule. Next bus in 15 minutes. He looks at the time. 8:38. He starts walking. 5. On the way to work. While Adam walks, he thinks about his day. Meetings, emails, reports, and arriving late. He walks quickly, crosses the street, passes a bakery. The smell of fresh bread makes him stop for a second. He thinks, maybe I can buy something small. But then he looks at the time again. No, later. He continues walking. Birds are singing. The sun is warm. People are going to school, to work, to the market. Life is moving fast. He says to himself, maybe this morning is not so bad. Maybe I needed this walk. 6. The coffee moment. Adam finally reaches a small coffee shop near his office. He decides to go inside. He says, "Good morning. 1 coffee, please." The barista smiles and says, "A big one or a small one?" Adam answers, "A big one. A very big one." He waits. He breathes. He feels calmer. The barista gives him his coffee. Adam takes the first sip and says, "Okay, now I can survive." He pays, leaves the shop, and walks to his office building. 7. Arriving at work. Adam enters the office slowly, carefully, hoping nobody sees him. But of course, someone always sees you. His coworker smiles and says, "Good morning, Adam. Late today?" Adam laughs and replies, "Yeah, very late." He sits at his desk, opens his computer, and takes a deep breath. The day begins. And this is where part 1 ends. Part 2 will continue the story with new vocabulary, meetings, problems, surprises, stress, and one important lesson.
Part 2. Story Continuation. Number 8. The first problem at work. Adam turns on his computer. He waits and waits and waits. The computer is slow today, very slow. He taps the desk and says, "Come on, please." Finally, the computer starts. Adam opens his email. He sees 27 new messages. He closes his eyes and whispers, "Oh, not today." The first email says, "Reminder, meeting at 9 a.m." Adam looks at the time, 9:04 a.m. He jumps from his chair and says, "Oh no, again?" He grabs his notebook and runs to the meeting room. Number 9. The meeting situation. Adam opens the door slowly. Everyone is already inside. His manager looks at him. "Good morning, Adam," the manager says. "You're a little late." Adam smiles nervously and replies, "Yes, a little late." The manager continues speaking about the weekly plans. Adam tries to focus, but he is tired, hungry, and still stressed. He writes notes, but his handwriting is horrible today. Lines are messy. Letters are unclear. He looks at the paper and whispers, "What is this?" Everyone is talking, and Adam feels lost. But then, something funny happens. Number 10. The water bottle incident. Adam takes his water bottle from his bag. He wants to drink quietly, but the bottle cap is loose. When he lifts it, splash! Water falls directly on his shirt. Cold water. He freezes. People look at him. His manager raises an eyebrow. Adam smiles and says, "Refreshing." The room laughs. Even his manager laughs. For the first time today, Adam also laughs. Number 11. A small break. After the meeting, Adam walks back to his desk. His shirt is wet. His notes are terrible. His morning was a disaster. He sits down. He closes his eyes. He takes a deep breath. He says to himself, "Okay, one bad morning, but the day is not finished." He drinks more coffee. He listens to soft music. Slowly, he feels better. Number 12. The unexpected help. While Adam works, his co-worker Sarah comes to him. She says, "Adam, are you okay today? You look tired." Adam laughs and replies, "You have no idea." Sarah gives him a cookie, a simple, small cookie. She says, "Here, you need this." Adam smiles sincerely. "Thank you, really." He eats the cookie. He feels a little stronger, a little happier. Sometimes small things help a lot. Number 13. A good moment at lunch. At lunchtime, Adam goes to the cafeteria. He sits with Sarah and 2 other co-workers. They talk. They laugh. They eat warm food. They relax. Adam tells them about the missed alarm, the banana fall, the missed bus, the spilled water. Everyone laughs, even Adam. He realizes something. Sometimes bad mornings make good stories. Number 14. The afternoon turnaround. After lunch, Adam feels different. His energy is back. His focus is better. He returns to his desk. He opens his notebook. He starts working on his tasks. Emails, reports, phone calls. He finishes one task, then another, then another. He says quietly, "Okay, we're doing good now." The afternoon is calm. No problems, no stress. Just work. Normal work. Good work. Number 15. The end of the workday. At 5 p.m., Adam closes his computer. He stands up. He stretches his back. He feels tired, but proud. He survived the day. A very long, strange, difficult, but funny day. His manager passes by and says, "Adam, good job today. See you tomorrow." Adam smiles. "Thank you. See you." He leaves the building slowly. The sky is orange. The air is cool. The world feels soft again. Number 16. The lesson of the day. Strong ending. As Adam walks home, he thinks about everything. The late morning, The banana fall, the missed bus, the spilled water, the stress, the help, the laughter. He realizes something important. Not every day is perfect, but every day teaches you something. Some days are fast, some days are hard, some days are crazy. But every day is a chance to learn, a chance to grow again, a chance to smile again. Adam opens his door. He enters his home. He says one last thing. Today was difficult, but it was a good day. Number 17. One last smile. Adam takes a deep breath. He looks around his home. His home is quiet. It is calm. He is home. He smiles one last time. He is ready for another day.